Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mini. First thing we need to do is make sure that Bluetooth is on. And then we're watching out at the bottom, but we select telephone here. You've got Bluetooth menu there. Please pair Bluetooth device. So you can't move that anywhere. But if we select Bluetooth menu, and then it goes to add new device. Again, making sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. So we want to add new device. It's Mini treble 531, and it's already come up here. Mini treble 531, click on that. And then you've got compare this with the number on the BT device, 562914, yes, that's it. So click OK, and we click pair here. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the car again. And you see there Mini is already connected up on the phone. We're just waiting a little while on the system. And it's got here telephone and audio. That's what you want. So we need OK. Click OK. That's it done.